My name is Zephaniah Chepchieng. I'm a trustee from National Cereals and Produce Board Staff Provident Fund. This is my first time to be attending a workshop established and facilitated by FINET. And my expectation when coming here was to get an insight of what is being done in the pension sector. But as from yesterday up to today, I've really learned a lot, especially from the judicial part, which was announced by the first day. And I would just wanted to say that my expectations has been exceeded in that the knowledge I've gained, the experience I've gained, and the environment I have interacted with the facilitators from FINET is so awesome, so interactive, and it has given me an aspiration to participate once more in the future endeavors. And my encouragement and my recommendation to my fellow trustees and other sectors and shareholders and other fellows in the pension sector is to consider taking part in the workshops and the conferences and other programs facilitated and arranged by FINET. It is my sincere hope and recommendation that given another time next time, I will avail myself and I will be a good ambassador to FINET, taking forward a message to other trustees in the pension sector to invest their resources in such wonderful, resourceful, insightful conferences. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.